Okay, so a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to Obibia All Monitor Sports Link Ghana all over the world. Ebrena so say you said the command pay na you said the air call. I will blasters players. The new coach I catch opinion the Carlos Carres. You heard the latest up the F can you see team etra say na ye did enkomo na enra Mr. Henry Asante Twum communications director at the Ghana Football Association Oremu. Ewo Asempa FM ekodi enkomo date of arrival Carlos Carres ebe arrive Ghana na se obe touch down no ene Mr. Henry Asante Twum ebo ho nkomo tie nyina say ye expect say ye new coach no obewramu ewo Accra International Airport na watimi abeshia the whole nation ye timi edidi enkomo na target aye set edema no at the World Cup no watimi ede nsema Accra atodwa na ye nyina hu de eko ene ne eba nti enra no ye bomode ebisa Henry Asante Twum date of arrival ene target a efe no asete edema opening no then ekwan ya mofa so epeke Carlos Carres say ono ene stand tall among the selected coaches no eno so odi enkoma hodo na efa ho ye ba bewramu na ye tieti de eko ene ne eba na ebusuamesre me bomode ede wawramu na ehwe coaches ahodo mutim ewramu na omukokochi abibrem amana hodo World Cup na se no ye be wrani ahwehwe a na ye didi enkon 1 or 2 edi efri ho na latest good news efri star boy Mohammed Kudus na kache eba eno so honsem eti say ye bedi enkomo titamuchuku wa abra ye di all the unbreakable stories nya no ye tim ewramu ye the stories no to me edi ama already ye kache say ensama hodo no ene di akwaje kikeleke di akwa samte hoje say di akosi boss say panyan ya ba betena say didi ehon komo na bibibia to me aye fine so fast forward yen kwai na yemfa ensam no entimi enfama o na ma mention say enfafri ebibrem ha amana hodo a ewramu o World Cup na say any various coaches a omutim aparedi na omolidi omo ede omwram o mudia na se no yenhwe omo ho nsam kakra na uwram dia Ghana ha de already ya bebodi no ede a chose Carlos Carres the Portuguese international na ewramu LED Ghana contingent no na wodi akọ wo no ase isan say this time round no enye chance play enya good day bi ene ye kwakodie ewo Canada, Mexico and in the US na say o say etimi kopo ye homode pa na empu quarter final semi finals no Ghana led by Carlos Carres no odi ewramu na bibibia etimi eye kama wo to aso a Senegal ebomoden e de papetiao e de etimi ewramu openi wa ye bi pen ene o hwe Africa hodo a wa ye bia nti papetiao expectation e was show from Senegal akache the MS5 ebejinamu e dama Côte d'Ivoire for no na omonso etimi ache omo bre pa enya semketoa wuram e South Africa eye opena ni din e de Hugo Bruce e na elidi omo e de omako Hassan Hussein eye Egypt coach ana manager ono na betim ewramu abo ama enema tim akoye DR Congo na senya e na omonso etimi qualified the more den Sebastian da Sabri ono na ewramu e de omo etimi akro then Pedro Letao Brito everybody LED Keved edo omakwa chese me say World Cup we no enye fedia kra enu ntina Ghana na edi otuado ekono na se ye ho popo as yesuru wuram di abusua omana ne di ele Tunisia ebomode aparedi opene ne din edi Sabri Lamuchi ena omode na ekwa enya semketo Mohamed Wabir wonso ebetim LED Morocco team no na wote omako boshe asasene so Vladimir Petrovic enso betimi abobodi LED Algeria team no ede omako nti ebusuya these are the various managers on betimi LED the African contingent au muram au World Cup na se na wohwe among all these coaches ebusuya Ghana ene South Africa pe ena yen coach no mumfie ewo nanimu omo hete 70 plus Ghana ene South Africa nti ye hwese omode omopanini no any experience no mo woro ometimi aboa ama the two nations South Africa ene Ghana yenso yetimi akonkoden e de akoyanim to no disrespect to honor akano but ye de ne ye pre Ghana World Cup we do enye fedi agro kra ene ye kwakodi e honom nti eno so e latest a eba ye de emunsem no etumi e de amount na yengramu all Tottenham akache the situation of star boy Mohammed Kudus already akache say chese Tottenham won hwe relegation de de ya Roberto Di Zerbi ontimi emeye changes bia enfama wo kwa no betimi akwakobo championship no na eno ene say no ye Ghana for na ye star boy Mohammed Kudus esi aka Edma Tottenham no ye de ye hwe akonka ye dwena hwenkan ne ye hu the future, what the future holds for Abranta ne din the star boy Mohammed Kudus. Na ebusia ene breaking news a eto dwa ewo Abranta akache enie ye se Chelsea for sa twmuti say yen star boy no omope papa na situation at Tottenham ejina mu no akwakoye ade a emu edin. It is star boy Chelsea monitor Abranta situation with Tottenham Hotspur no, then to also Manchester United and so atwemuti a yen second report no said the two clubs no show keen interest e Abranta no akache ne mum se no so am say omunya table offer bia being Chelsea being Manchester United obi bia no wetimi a table offer but omo show interest e Abranta no akache na se no so am say this interest na omo show no according to report na Metitin say enye coaches na omoli di clubs ni mienu no na show interest nemom board no clubs no board no na show interest e star boy Mohammed Kudus akache eti okọ Chelsea a ebeboa anase emboa anase owramu Manchester United akache ebeboa anase emboa eno so betimi agira so na wache wadwe na enkomo no etumi akoye nti eno latest a eba yedi emu nsem no etumi edi amane show ni so now yenwramu ewo efe no akache ne yemfa ensema hodo no de akọje kekeleke de akọye Asante Hodges de akọkọ hit bo no se panyan no yentimi emfa ensem no entumi emfa ma na enro ne ebo modern ene Mr Henry Asante Twum ebo nkomo ene ebisa openi ni se wankasa no say mama yen coach na akasa no on TVs on online na se phone nya no openi no yehu no da ben na Carlos no all touch down ewo Accra International Airport ne nyina Fidi Gadochi yetimi ede yani ehu openi no ensem a Henry Asante Twum ede to dwa no yebebo no nya bi ati yeto aso ebisa openi ni se na say efe no muyi no anase efe no munyina motena se na muka muti epam ho echusi Carlos no target bay na mo asete ede ama no esanse openi no experience the OOB on CV yenyina gitum se we well experienced coach but target bay na mo pese Ghana for ehu se mo asete ede ama Carlos eno so a wo bo ehu komo pa na oto aso echechi ekoyo fa so select openi ni nyina openi Henry Asante Twum edi enkomo mesra ni di no bokwa so yenwramu na yenkotie ensema okaye edifa the arrival of Carlos ene ensema eto aso
Elia na oka se coach na share adwuma ase kwan be so no afa so ahya ase o krom ha ana se da ben no oba aharmo proper na ebia engage in central for na collab bi send it cheche na adwuma nu yi kakra chen.
So already you know, say, confirm some friendly matches next month and then June. Likely say, the back of a come before Ansana. Yeah, boy, a first match or World Cup. It's a renewal. It's because I was here, Juma. Clearly, it is part of the plan, the presentation that he made available to the FA during the engagement. Actually, they obey from now until the end of April, the month of May, and then before he ever go into camp for the game against Wales. Over started, I monitor players. Over started, I engage players. And no power, expecting Ghana in the next few days. It means because I feel like you've been covered. In the next few days, you'll be in Ghana. You'll be properly unveiled. On Noah Becker, they are open soccer. They are open soccer. The Niswadi will be open soccer team local. And now we are getting a statement about one team. That is exactly what he has told us at this very instance. But going forward, whatever his vision is, what he wants to achieve with us, and any other thing, actually will be urgent. So, the enforcer we will make him available to the press. He will be unveiled. The media will have the opportunity to ask questions, and then we make progress from there.
The man on the specific target, the man for the World Cup.
I think that target for the World Cup in sports, nothing is guaranteed. You can set a target and factors could scoop at the targets. We have a coach who has come in. What started Juma? What catching? It is not just a job. It is a mission to succeed with us. At this point, we are focused on putting all the possible things. You can set a target, and when to me and Noah, it will be a challenge. In Tipopana Gasaba, no, the catcher me percent do final. It is better than me. I may say because you go final because why analysis of our team, our opponent, what he intends doing, his technical philosophy, and all of that, and based on that, a bit me a man of the hour.
In the speech I'm posting here a year or no, I put up a search team. This particular one, Team Bainer, leading the search of a coach for the national team. Now, why not the leader of the search team?
We decided to filter the noise because a lot of the times, who the search team, Babonte, there was a very, very competent team that worked together. Members of the FA, technical directorate, even including ex-officials who held positions in the FA. In person of Bobodi, I'm just giving you an idea of the composition of Nipa Juma. There were ex-FA leads and heads. They were part of the process. And then we also decided to involve some top, maybe corporate people are media, football, church, maybe to me I suggested one or two things. We did not make it an FA thing 100%. It was a very broad. There was a broad engagement process. Eventually, recommendations by the executive council took a decision, and this is what has led us here.
But by a virtue of stakeholders, broader consultation, the leader of the team, we should know. Anna,
there was a process. The process was smooth. The process has successfully given us a coach. The concentration shouldn't be on who led the process. It should be on who our coach is today. That is the most important.
But just to clarify, not the president of the federation, yet part of that team, Anna.
There was a process, and that process has given us a coach. I think we have to make progress.
Okay. But ESCO members need to maybe a committee is all right. No, but I just want to know the individual. So, what share with me?
I have the names, but I think that doesn't matter. The most important thing is that they have given us a coach, and that's where our
okay.
Okay. Concentration. Recommendations on make here. Coaches on Mokasai. Bakwama honor need your Bakuna process in a year my papa. They are here saying that you can't say it, you can't say it, you can't say. Once the process is over, that is in the past.
But the royal ministry no play in this section on that is saying ministry also get involved well and they do baby agree.
Of course, the minister has been
Asante FM.
Very, very supportive in the entire process, from Germany to Accra, meetings, consultations, engagements.
earlier now cast a coach na share adwuma ase kwan be so no afa so ahye ase o krom ha na say da ben no oba aharmo proper na ebia engage in central for na collab bi send the city church na adwuma mu yi kakra chen.
So already you know say yeah confirm some friendly matches next month and then June. Likely say yeah the back over come before answer yeah boy first match or World Cup. It's a menu. It's because I was here Juma. Clearly it is part of the plan, the presentation that he made available to the FA during the engagement. Actually, the from now until the end of April, the month of May, and then before you're going to camp for the game against Wales. Over started, I monitor players. Over started, I engage players. And no power, you're expecting Ghana in the next few days. It means because I feel like in the next few days you will be in Ghana. You will be properly unveiled. On Noah Becca, they are Opesoka. They are Opesoye. The Niswadi will be Opeso the team local. And now we are getting a statement about one thing. That is exactly what he has told us at this very instance. But going forward, whatever his vision is, what he wants to achieve with us, and any other thing, actually will be urgent. So, the enforcer we will make him available to the press. He will be unveiled. The media will have the opportunity to ask questions, and then we make progress from there.
Okay, Auntie Henry Asante Twum, and I just say, oh, boy, come on. So we are all expecting our coach to touch down. Ghana nafi your questions be yet me ebisa no so our modi ejina so ansan na nkomo no etimi akoyabusia yensia na yensan kekeleke shout out no from obi bia obo modi e drop in a message e ho no eti nanasafo kantanka e wo Gabon e be shout out you say wo do message no etimi ewra mu we so ewra mu ema AJ Isaac AJ be chow pa e be shout out to AJ Isaac then Gideon kuna do a bit shout out to Kekeleke Papa, we love you. Yes, you love you, Pa. It's a Kwame Ade. Also, your child, the more ding, Eric, Ebo more ding, Eden message, etim area mu Eric, your child, Papa, say, or drop your message, you know, Honum, Yan Twasso out, this I near Yanika crack infantry. Delhi, Zimma. Also, a bit shout out, I don't know whether I've gotten it right, but Delhi, Zimma, a bit shout out to you. Then Gideon, say, Twasso, the message, you know, by B Mens, the message, by AJ Isaac, SRB by entry Philip, entry near a bit shout out to you. B Mens, SR to be by Tops, a bit shout out to say, what message, you know, to me by Richie, to us, message in Iremo, Michael Jones, message Iremo, Ike Blankson, message Iremo, B Mens, SRB by Jockey Jackie, message, you know, to me Iremo, and I made try as a Yikakra, dear Fiona, and Common Etim Akoye. Di amaye nyina Anthony Azazo message Eremu AJ Isaac Esatoaso AJ AJ de kekeleke headmaster no then Edward Osu Sapon be shout out to you say odo message no to me Eremu now yemrase hanom na ye hwe kekeleke for omugu ha pa Emmanuel Asante Chief was South Africa yes be shout out to you South Africa kekeleka minister no be shout out to you God's own be shout out to you say what message no it's me here when so enter so Charles Listowo message no it's me area mo Kobina set hey me ton catch be shout out to you say what message no it's me here Matthew Arthur be shout out to you Jeboa Francis message no it's me here Mauto GH Dubai be shout out to you Peggy Apia message area mo then Emmanuel Max message empire then Akwesi Boateng message area mo Sylvester Mindful be shout out to say message you know empire Samuel Sin team message in area mo then Moses Aka message empire Maxi to also message you know etimi empire inwe mo oh Worcester for nyina ye chiamo Wustafo a chese mudidi enom ekobo ball etwi papi nyina no ye chamo pa sidu big shout out to Sammy B mete wona ebusuane ka che an kekeleke sons and daughters no o mete o monka che megidi se o mo ho ye pa enti Sammy B big shout out to you meche mama kekeleke big shout out to her baby o se bia no ye chia no enim se adwuma mu boko bibi anso ye den koso enti Wustafo ni nyina America fo ni nyina ye chia mo Mr. Oscar Akoli ewo North Carolina big shout out to you han asemu ye chemu nyina big shout out to you all kekeleke abusuafo ni nyina ye chemu esibo so se panyanfo no ye chemu bia ha Sports Link Ghana hadie emu odewu abusua bo de se obe follow page na obe share link no na obi atenka na obe join family no na enkomo no etimi akoyi makram